perché nei sogni credo ancora, lo strano gioco del destino a Portofino m'ha preso il cuore.
Here I am in the center of Portofino. The center itself is clustered around this picturesque harbor in the background. You can also see the Castello Brown up there. And here you can have a walk. It's car free. There are all the restaurants, mostly with seafood cuisine, bars and mostly luxurious shops. And now I will take you on a tour through this wonderful town.
I found my love in Portofino, perché nei sogni credo ancora, lo strano gioco del destino a Portofino m'ha preso il cuore, nel dolce incanto del mattino, il mare ti ha portato a me, io chiudo gli occhi e a me vicino, a Portofino vedo te. Ricordo un angolo di cielo dove ti stavo ad aspettare, ricordo il volto tanto amato e la tua bocca da baciare. I found my love in Portofino.
These two girls are walking around in Portofino since some minutes. They always make the same tour. We are at the restaurant directly at the port. And here you can see the prices, the price range. Salad for 13 euros, main dishes around 30 up to 70 euros, desserts for 12 euros. Here's the San Giorgio church, and then if you have a look on the left you get this beautiful panoramic view all over Portofino. So this is a nice path to walk to the Castello Brown. For going into the Castello Brown you have to pay 5 euros, and these are the opening hours. It's just a problem that I'm too late, and for the sunset it's also too early that they close it. You will need 15 up to 20 minutes for arriving at the Castello Brown. There are some stairs to climb, also you have to walk up a little bit the hill here, and then the same way another 15 up to 20 minutes for arriving here at the Lighthouse. it's already evening here in Portofino. I hope you liked my little tour through this picturesque place. I loved it so much. It's such a beautiful former fishing town, directly located at the sea in this beautiful bay, and it wasn't even that crowded with tourists. I arrived here towards 5 o'clock in the evening, and I've expected much more people, but I think they are during the afternoon. And so that's a tip for you: come towards the evening. Also for watching the sunset, that's amazing. And as always, you will find all information on my blog, and I thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next episode. Bye.